Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can make AI character videos with Wan 2.2 online for free. No downloads, no installation, just a browser and a few clicks. So first you can just open Wan 2.2 website. This website in here, you can go to you can sign up first and you get free 10 credits in here. And now to get AI avatar or AI character video, you can just here on click on avatar, click on try now, and in here you can upload your character and upload your speech, or you can also generate audio, support English. Here I'm going to just use an example character. So let's say I'm going to use this one right here. And now you can add the speech. Can here tap on this one to start generating the video. So for the speech audio, you can replace it if you want to, or you can also upload it from device. So you can just wait until the result is out, and the video will be the character will be sing with the audio. So it will be like lip sync right here. So you can just wait. It depends on your internet connection. So once your video is ready, you can just download it. And that's it. You just created a talking AI character using Wan 2.2 online. If you like this tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. See you in the next video.